Tatlong Hari Morion Matikas Lady Eagles Club, Lady Eagle Gladys Jerilyn Joy M. Arevalo, Club President. Lady Eagle Alona Spencer, Vice President. Lady Eagle Mildred S. Madriaga, Secretary. Lady Eagle Pamela S. Pastoral, Assistant Secretary. Lady Eagle Taran Del Mundo, Treasurer. Lady Eagle Mary Chris Tolentino, Auditor. Lady Eagle Rebecca S. Matutina, Porgasan. Lady Eagle Mergy D. Manasala, Buenavista, Information Officer. Lady Eagle Elsie May Sadiwa. Lady Eagle Leonida Pagirigan, Protocol Officer. Lady Eagle Edna Samarita. Lady Eagle Derlin Sison. Lady Eagle Trelin Solis, Peace Officer. Lady Eagle Dalia Iturralde, Care Chairwoman. Lady Eagle Janet Navarro, Care Vice Chairwoman. Lady Eagle Catherine Ampol Lozano, Comelec Chairwoman. Lady Eagle Desiree T. Malalad, Comelec Vice Chairwoman. Lady Eagle Romilin Nardo. Lady Eagle Rochelle Similia, Comelec members. Lady Eagle Adeline Angeles, Tribunal Grievance Chairman. Lady Eagle Leia P. Villanueva, Tribunal Grievance Vice Chairman. Lady Eagle Rhea Isidro, Member, Tribunal Grievance Committee. Lady Eagle Semi Dumesnil. Lady Eagle Joby Jane Rianzares. Lady Eagle Alma May Similia, Regional Assembly Woman. Tatlong Hari Morion Matikas Junior Eagles Club,